This 5-channel Infinity Reference amplifier is a true one-box solution, powering an entire car audio system from a single compact chassis with far less wiring hassle than running separate amplifiers. It delivers a well-judged mix of power with strong output for front and rear speakers and a dedicated high-wattage subwoofer channel that gives bass real authority without overwhelming the rest of the music. For systems that demand more front-stage impact, the amplifier can be switched into a 3-channel configuration to significantly increase power to the main speakers while still feeding the subwoofer generously. Independent high-pass and low-pass filters on the full-range channels, plus dedicated low-pass, bass boost, and phase controls for the subwoofer make it easy to fine-tune the sound to a specific vehicle and listening taste. The low-profile, relatively small footprint design helps this amplifier tuck neatly under seats or in tight trunk spaces where installation options are limited. Built-in protection for overheating, wiring faults, and voltage issues, along with a wired remote bass control that can be mounted near the driver, adds everyday reliability and convenient on-the-fly bass adjustment.